Thank you for coming back today. In this video, we will talk about something very important for every English learner. Many people believe that reading more books, studying grammar for hours, or memorizing long vocabulary lists will make them fluent. These things can help, but they are not the real secret. The real secret is much simpler. You must speak English. Not sometimes, not only in class, not only when you feel ready. You must use English again and again in real life. Speaking is not the last stage of learning. Speaking is the center of learning. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. A lot of learners spend years studying English quietly. They understand videos, they know many words, they can even explain grammar rules. But when someone asks them a simple question in English, they suddenly freeze. Their mind becomes empty. They feel nervous and uncomfortable. Why does this happen? Because they learned English without truly using it. Language is like a muscle. If you never use it, it stays weak. You cannot become a confident speaker by staying silent every day. Real fluency grows when your mouth, your brain, and your confidence work together through practice. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You can watch videos about riding, you can read instructions, you can understand balance in theory, but until you actually get on the bicycle and move, nothing changes. Speaking English works the same way. You improve by doing it, not by only thinking about it. A lot of learners also believe fluency means speaking English perfectly, without mistakes. But real fluency is different. Fluency means expressing yourself naturally and comfortably. It means your ideas can move smoothly from your mind into words, and this only happens through regular speaking practice. At first, speaking may feel difficult. You may stop often. You may search for words. You may repeat yourself. This is completely normal. Every fluent speaker once struggled too. The difference is simple. They continued speaking even when it felt uncomfortable. One of the biggest enemies of progress is silence. The longer you stay silent, the more fear grows inside you. But every time you speak, even for 1 minute, your confidence becomes a little stronger. Your brain slowly learns that English is not something dangerous. It becomes more familiar, more natural. This is why daily speaking is so powerful. Even very small practice matters. You do not need perfect conversations every day. You can start with simple sentences. I feel tired today. I want to improve my English. The weather is nice. Small sentences may look simple, but they train your brain in a powerful way. When you repeat useful expressions many times, your speaking becomes faster and more automatic. Slowly, you stop translating every word from your native language. You begin thinking more directly in English, and this changes everything. Another important thing to understand is fear. Many people are not blocked by grammar problems, they are blocked by fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of sounding strange. But fear only becomes smaller when you face it. Imagine someone who is afraid of swimming. If they stay far away from the water forever, the fear never disappears. But if they slowly practice, step by step, the fear becomes weaker. English speaking works exactly the same way. Your first conversation may feel uncomfortable. Your voice may shake a little. You may speak slowly. That is okay. Every conversation teaches your brain an important lesson. I can do this. Confidence is not something that appears before speaking. Confidence appears because of speaking. Many learners wait too long. They think, first I will become fluent, then I will start talking. But the truth is the opposite. You become fluent because you talk. Speaking also trains your mouth and pronunciation. A lot of learners understand English very well in their mind, but their mouth is not used to producing English sounds yet. Some words feel difficult. Some sentences feel heavy. This happens because speaking is physical too, not only mental. Your mouth needs training just like your brain does. When you speak regularly, your pronunciation becomes smoother. Your tongue becomes more comfortable with English sounds. Your rhythm improves naturally. That is why reading out loud is so powerful.
Useful. Listening and repeating is also powerful. The more your ears and mouth work together, the more natural your speech becomes. You do not need to sound perfect. You only need to keep practicing. Another beautiful thing about speaking is that it helps memory. Many learners study vocabulary but quickly forget it. Why? Because the brain remembers information better when it is used actively. If you learn a word silently, your memory stays weak. But when you use that word in real conversation, your brain creates stronger connections. For example, maybe you learn the word excited. If you say, "I am excited about my future," "I am excited to learn English," the word becomes part of your real life. And because of this, you remember it much more easily. Speaking changes passive knowledge into active knowledge. It turns information into communication. Another important benefit of speaking daily is speed. Beginners usually think very slowly in English. When someone asks them a question, they first hear the English sentence, then translate it into their own language, then prepare an answer, then translate the answer back into English. This process takes too much time and creates stress during conversation. But something amazing happens when you practice speaking every day. Your brain slowly becomes faster. Little by little, you stop depending so much on translation. Your mind starts connecting ideas directly with English words. Instead of preparing every sentence carefully, you begin reacting more naturally. This is one of the biggest signs of growing fluency. At first, even a simple question like, "What did you do today?" may feel difficult. You may need several seconds before answering, but after many conversations, your response becomes easier and quicker. "I worked today." "I studied English." "I stayed home and relaxed." Simple answers, natural answers, fast answers. Daily speaking trains your brain to react in real time, and this matters because real conversations move quickly. People do not stop and wait while you build perfect grammar in your head. Communication flows naturally, and your brain must learn to move with it. This is why small speaking habits are so powerful. You can ask yourself questions during the day. What am I doing now? How do I feel? What are my plans tomorrow? Then answer immediately in English. Even short answers help your brain become more flexible and faster. Another powerful habit is 1-minute speaking practice. Choose a simple topic and talk continuously for 1 minute without stopping too much. Do not worry about mistakes. The goal is movement, not perfection. This teaches your brain to stay active in English instead of freezing. Over time, something beautiful happens. You stop overthinking every word. You stop feeling trapped inside your own head. Speaking starts flowing more naturally. And as your speed improves, your confidence grows too. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners want clear pronunciation, but they avoid speaking because they feel embarrassed. Unfortunately, silence never improves pronunciation. Only practice does.
Think about music. A singer becomes better by singing regularly, not by silently reading song lyrics. English pronunciation develops the same way. At first, some sounds may feel uncomfortable. Some words may seem impossible to pronounce correctly, but repetition changes everything. When you hear a word many times and repeat it again and again, your mouth slowly learns the correct movement. For example, maybe the word comfortable feels difficult in the beginning, but after practicing it regularly, your mouth becomes more relaxed with the sound. Slowly, your pronunciation improves naturally. This is why listening and repeating is such an effective method. You hear natural English, then copy the sound, rhythm, and pronunciation. Your ears and mouth start working together as a team. And remember this important truth: clear communication matters more than sounding perfect. You do not need a perfect accent to speak good English. You only need to be understandable and confident enough to continue speaking. Many learners also improve faster when they stop being too harsh on themselves. Some people judge every mistake so strongly that they become afraid to open their mouth at all. But mistakes are not proof that you are failing. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. Every fluent speaker has made thousands of mistakes. Wrong grammar, wrong pronunciation, wrong vocabulary. The difference is simple. They continued speaking anyway. Mistakes are actually part of the learning process. When you make a mistake during conversation, your brain notices it. Then your brain slowly adjusts and improves next time. This kind of active learning is much stronger than silent studying. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls again and again, but still keeps trying. Slowly, walking becomes natural. Speaking English works the same way. Growth comes through repetition and experience, not through perfection. So instead of fearing mistakes, try changing your mindset. Do not say, "I failed." Say, "I learned something." This small change can completely transform your confidence. Another important thing is self-correction. If you notice a mistake while speaking, you do not need to panic. Just calmly continue. For example, "I go to the market yesterday." Sorry, "I went to the market yesterday." Then keep talking naturally. The goal is communication, not perfection. The learners who improve the fastest are usually not the ones with perfect grammar from the beginning. They are the ones who practice consistently, stay patient, and continue speaking even when it feels difficult.
Because every conversation teaches you something. Every sentence trains your brain. Every mistake helps you grow. Over time, daily speaking also changes something much deeper. It changes how English feels inside your mind. At the beginning, English may feel distant and unnatural. You may feel like you are only studying a subject from school. Grammar rules feel heavy. Sentences feel forced. You constantly think about mistakes before speaking. But when you use English every day in real situations, the language slowly becomes part of your normal life. This is a very important transformation. The more you speak, the more familiar English becomes. Your brain stops treating it like a difficult challenge and starts treating it like a tool for communication. For example, in the beginning, even a simple sentence like, "How was your day?" may require effort. But after hearing and using it many times, the sentence becomes automatic. You no longer stop to analyze grammar. You simply speak. This is how language becomes natural, not through endless silent study, but through repeated use. Talking about your own life is especially powerful. When you describe your feelings, your plans, or your experiences in English, the language becomes emotionally connected to you. "I feel tired today." "I'm happy because I practiced." "I want to improve slowly." These are simple sentences, but they are real. They connect English to your everyday thoughts and emotions. And because of this connection, the language becomes easier to remember and easier to use. Many learners only use English during study time. Then they immediately return completely to their native language for the rest of the day. Because of this, English stays outside their real-life experience. But learners who speak daily slowly create a different relationship with the language. English becomes something living and active. It becomes part of their routine.
This is why consistency matters more than intensity. You do not need to study 10 hours every day. But using English regularly, even for short moments, can create powerful long-term improvement. You can practice while walking, while cooking, while cleaning your room, while thinking about your plans. Describe your surroundings, describe your actions, describe your feelings. Small daily speaking habits slowly build comfort and fluency. And eventually, something amazing happens. You stop feeling like a person who is trying to speak English. You start feeling like someone who actually speaks English. This identity shift is very powerful. At first, many learners see themselves as beginners forever. They think, my English is weak, or I'm not a real speaker yet. Because of this mindset, they stay quiet and avoid opportunities. But speaking daily changes how you see yourself. Each conversation becomes proof. Each sentence becomes evidence. You begin realizing, I can communicate. I can express ideas. I can use this language. And when your identity changes, your behavior changes too. You become more willing to speak, more willing to practice, more willing to continue learning. Confidence grows naturally because your brain starts accepting a new belief. English is something I can actually use. This is one of the biggest turning points in language learning. Fluency is not only about vocabulary or grammar, it is also about becoming comfortable with yourself as an English speaker. And that comfort grows through action. Not waiting, not hiding, not staying silent, but speaking. Even imperfectly, even slowly, even with mistakes. Because every sentence you speak builds experience. Every conversation builds confidence. Every day of practice builds a stronger version of you. So if you truly want to improve your English, stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. Progress begins the moment you start using your voice. Speak a little every day. Talk to yourself. Talk to other people. Read out loud. Repeat sentences. Use simple English without fear. Your fluency will not appear overnight, but if you continue speaking consistently, you will slowly notice important changes. Your fear becomes smaller. Your thinking becomes faster. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your confidence becomes stronger. And one day you will suddenly realize something beautiful. You are no longer struggling to speak English. You are simply speaking it. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope this video helped you understand that fluency is not built through silence. It is built through daily action, patience, and courage.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing that improvement is possible for you too. If this video encouraged you, share it with someone else who is learning English. And if you want more calm and practical lessons to help you speak more confidently, stay connected and continue learning with us. Take care, keep using your voice, and I'll see you again very soon.